انڈی کی گگلی میں خوش آمدید. میں ہوں مشتاق احمد. میرے ساتھ ہے رائلی روسو. My favorite player, played 6 PSL in Pakistan. Very lucky for Multan Sultan to have him. He's X factor, he's a match winner. I have lots of respect for him as a cricketer, as a human being also. Riley, I was just going to thank you very much for spending your time. I know you like your FIFA very much, and pulling you out from there is very silly for me. But thank you very much for giving us honor to ask you a very simple question. Riley, you played 6 PSL in Pakistan. Can you tell us the security about Pakistan and about PSL? What do you think about PSL security-wise? How do you feel about PSL basically?
First of all, Mashid, thank you so much for those kind words. It's really means a lot for me, especially coming from a guy like you, from where you've been in cricket and in life and your journey. I respect you a lot as a player and as a human being, so thank you so much for those words. My experience in Pakistan has been nothing but unbelievable. I've really enjoyed my time here. Security-wise, I've never felt more safe in a place than what I have in Pakistan. So that big ups to from whoever's come from, the PCB, the PSL, whoever's organised it. Unbelievable job.
We are glad to hear this. Thank you, Riley. Hopefully we can have a long relationship. You can play at least another 15 PSL, my friend. And inshallah you will. And it's a great honor for Pakistan and Pakistani people.